Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are well, and welcome back to my YouTube channel as always. And if you're new here, my name is Zenithobor. So thank you so much for supporting me. So on today's video, I just want to show you how to get a smaller tummy in 7 days. Yeah, 5 to 7 days. So if you be suffering from a bloated tummy, you have this stubborn fat you've been trying to get rid of, and your belly constantly look like that of a pregnant woman, look no further. The solution is here, because I'm about to show you how to get rid of that in just 7 days with just this simple, amazing recipe I'm going to put together. And if you follow the instruction, just follow the way I'm going to show you, and I've done my parts. Do your parts by following the instruction. Yeah. So, and make sure you check your doctor if you're allergy, if you have ulcer and all that. Please don't come back on this if you're unwell. And because I'm not a professional, it worked for me, it might not work for you, but I'm 89 or 95% sure, very sure that it's going to work, because I've used it. And if you be suffering from constipation, this is going to help you as well. And yeah, if you have a very stubborn tummy, belly fat that refuse to go, this will help you. In 7 days, you have a smaller tummy. And it's a smoothie, and if you're drinking it, please stick to portion. Yeah, so try to eat healthy meal, less of carb, more protein, and all that. So stop eating when it's past 5. So eat before 5 p.m. in those 7 days. So anything past after 5, 6, 7, please don't eat, because it will not work. So eat before then, and just include this to it. It's gonna work. So as you see here with me, I've got banana, which is going to keep your energy level intact. Banana, I've got cucumber, I've got pineapple, and celery, ginger, and apple cider vinegar. So I'm going to put all this together, and water. You can use coconut water, and water as well. So I'm going to put all this in the blender and blend it and all that. So banana, ginger, apple cider vinegar, celery, cucumber, and water. So I'm going to combine all this together. So it's very healthy. It's packed with so many nutrients, so many goodness that is good for you, that's going to help you get rid of those toxic, those fats in your tummy and all that. So the banana, it's going to help you keep your energy level. It's going to help you fuller, so you're not going to feel hungry. So yeah, so I'm going to put them together now. Just watch me do it and all that. Okay guys, so our smoothie is ready. So 1 glass of this a day. You can have this 1 glass a day, or you can just have it twice a day. Depends on how big your tummy is. So if it's not that big, you can go once a day, but if it's very big, you can go twice a day, in the morning and last thing before going to bed. So this is going to really help you have a smaller tummy just like mine. So thank you so much for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at FitNewMeBunch and all that. So don't forget, this is packed with so many goodness, so it will be good for you. Yeah, so don't forget to check if you are allergic to all these things. So bye for now. I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.